Dito pala kami sa ano, gold mine. Hindi namin alam kung anong hahanapin namin dito sa mine na to. Gold ba o silver or diamond ba? Kaya ano kaya, no? Ayan, papasok kami dyan sa butas na yan, oh. Yan, makita yung butas. Pasok kami dyan. No? Ano kayang mayroon? Oh, diba? Ito yung place nila. Ayan, may mga tao na rin umakyat. Oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, still, ano to, still operating pa eh. Diba? Tayo papasok dito sa ano, museum nila. Ayun, museum nila, oh.
We went in with the mine inspector, but he was an old guy and he could barely walk, so we couldn't get too far back.
Sana makakita kami ng gold. Wingay, mga maghanap kami ng gold. Wingay, dalangkit pa ng marami. Kaya diamond. Oh my goodness, itong asawa ko talaga i-addict sa museum. Ang ganda naman pala. Ito yung mga gamit nila pang hakot ng mga minamay nila. Ayan. So, ito may-ari dito.
The old guy we worked around the old patch on the farm, because it was surprising how many farmers in the area were actually old miners, old, like had been in it, and bought land and became farmers.
Okay.
There's lots of mines here, like most of the mines we see are like probably within 15 miles of the U.S. border in this kind of swath here. So the big mine here, there's up at Phoenix here. There's a picture of it here, but back in 1908 there was a big town there, right? So there's about 37 miles of tunnels there.
Ano ba ito?
So that's what
Ano, nagilak-gilak. Oh, mayroon talagang diamond ba?
This is actually a picture inside there in 1908. They had Granby cars and they invented here. Electric railway and it was pretty big.
Ano ba yan?
It was a pretty big deal back then. It was the biggest smelter in British Commonwealth they had across the valley here. And this is the first mine that actually shipped over.
Ang ganda, oh.
Oh, okay.
Yan.
So I'll go over tour after you guys sign a waiver and give you a hat.
Donation? Okay.
Yeah, it's the tour is $25 per person. So.
Okay. Debit?
No debit, but e-transfer.
I don't have that.
You have cash?
Yeah. Well,
I will grab cash.
Oh, okay, yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
It's in the truck, honey. It's in the truck, honey.
I have not.
What?
Like a TD Bank. I've been trying to get a TD Bank, and they're very limited.
Oh, yeah, I've got a, I deal with TD, but I have a margin account, so you can do stock trading and the Visa, and everything's all one. That's really nice. I don't really like computers very much, but it's really easy to move money around, pay bills.
$25 pala ang entrance din eh. That's my debit. So, ako na naman magbabayad ngayon. Kalog. Na nina na na. Kung na ay ano artista o turista ngayon ha. Anood lang kayo sa akin. Yan oh, yan pala oh. Dito kay mataas na bundok. Oh. Ito nga pala yung ano, equipment ng pangpukay ng mine nila or ano, gold or silver or whatever, diamond ba yung mga nila. Hindi naman alam. Kasi nandito kami sa taas na bundok. Ayun po yung tao ng ano. Grand Fork. Ayan. Okay. Yan lang muna guys ha. Okay. See you there. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Okay. Ako tayong kasalapian kasi ibayad doon sa entrance.